So we're doing a little walking around in Clearwater Beach.
What?
I needed to get some exercise after being on the boat.
Stretch these legs.
Trying to keep the carbs low on this trip. But Scott does not have the same goals. He doesn't need to worry about it. So we're headed back to the boat, take showers, and then we're meeting Warren. Been a follower of Salty Abandon from the start. We're going to the Island Packet Yacht Factory. Salty Abandon, Clearwater Beach, Municipal Marina. So there's the boat right there. And I'm coming over here to the showers. So here we go. Got a little chair for your stuff. So it's not air conditioned here, so I'm already breaking a sweat, so I'm gonna get in a cold shower and not hang out here too long. So we are here with Warren Oatman.
Thanks for joining us, Warren.
Yeah. So I just heard from Sean Grage of Top Choice Marina. He's the one that's going to be installing the new compressor and plate. Okay. He's coming today. So within 24 hours, they've come assess the problem, and they're going to be installing. I'm going to be up and going in no time.
Yes.
Unsweet tea.
Yes.
And adult beverage tea. Maybe a hat? We need a hat.
So there's someone here that doesn't want to be filmed. She's right here. You can't. I'm videoing myself, so I promise. Courtney, she knows how much you spend a lot of time in these
She
things?
has a lot of knowledge about
How many?
Exhuman.
20 years in the Bahamas. She's writing down. She doesn't want to be on camera. She's
Little
writing
camera
down.
shy,
A
but
little camera.
especially Exhuman.
There we go. So she's writing it all down for us. She's got a great smile. I don't know why she doesn't want to be on camera, but we're respecting her wishes.
That's right.
And we also got
Some new.
She rattled the ice in my plastic cup. I said, yes, ma'am, fill her up. Tell me something good that I don't know. Cause this world's been kicking my behind. Life ain't been a friend of mine. Lately I've been feeling kinda low. And she looked back over her shoulder and pointed at the sign hanging up on the wall. It said, everything's gonna be.
making burgers again on the grill, and Scott's having a Scotty dog bowl.
This is called a Scotty dog bowl. We have sausage, a little cheese, pepper jack, got some onion. Down there we got some pickles and olives.
Everything's gonna be alright. And nobody's gotta worry about nothing. Don't go hitting that panic button. It ain't worth spilling your drink. Everything's gonna be alright. Alright. Alright.
So I nodded my head and said that's for sure. Dropped a few bucks in the mason jar. Felt those good old neon vibes on me. And whatever monkey that was on my back, He jumped off just like that, right into the deep blue sea. And I looked back over her shoulder, thinking about the sign hanging up on the wall that said, everything's gonna be alright. Everything's gonna be alright. Nobody's gotta worry about nothing. Don't go hitting that panic button. It ain't near as bad as you think. Everything's gonna be alright. Alright. Alright.
There ain't no doubt it's gonna work out. Come on and sing it with me.
There ain't no doubt it's gonna work out. Come on and sing it with me.
Everything's gonna be alright. Everything's gonna be alright. And nobody's gotta worry about nothing. Don't go hitting that panic button. It ain't near as bad as you think. Everything's gonna be alright. Alright. Alright.
Everything's gonna be